Since the judiciary started conducting special court sessions for sexual gender-based violence cases in 2018, over 2,000 cases have been disposed of in 4 sessions. Among the commonly registered sexual gender-based violence cases include rape, sexual assault, physical assault, forced marriage, among others. According to prosecutors, sexual gender-based violence cases are mostly registered in Gulu, Mbale, Mukono, Jinja, Iganga, Masaka, Mbara, and Toro. Among the key factors leading to the increased cases of sexual gender-based violence include cultural norms, poverty, drug abuse, among others.
Some cultural practices that we are also trying to fight. This such is actually prevalent in Karamoja, even up to today, that young girls are just captured and given to men. So that's one of the things, one of the indicators as we handle SGBV, that cases, regions of Karamoja and Gulu, we find that so many defilement cases, and the people actually say they're not defilement, they are married.
Due to the sensitivity of sexual gender-based violence cases, delays are registered since some witnesses decline to testify in court. This is why the principal judge, Dr. Flavian Zeija, says there is need for tough action.
When the court summons you to come to court, if you refuse, you are in contempt of that court. So the contempt of court is an offense itself. So you are arrested, actually. Summon is a serious thing. I know the public sometimes doesn't appreciate this, but when court summons you, you are supposed to come to attend court.
Under circumstances where a family member has to testify on a victim who is a family member, the principal judge has an opinion.
But sometimes also the girl, they can also intimidate the girl, so they refuse to come to court to testify, meaning that the case will collapse because there are no witnesses, but they have already been compromised. So we arrest them, not really to keep them in prison, because we know they don't understand these things. So when we bring them to court, after testifying, we just let them go.
It is with such background that prosecution has found it hard to compel witnesses to testify in court, which is a challenge. They say the problem can be addressed by the enactment of the Witness Protection Act.
We have gone ahead to actually create a department that handles witness protection. We have also gone ahead to get guidelines in place. We have guidelines that help us. So if the law came, it would really find that the structures are already in place.
Stakeholders in the fight against sexual gender-based violence are undergoing a training on how to handle such cases. These include police, judicial officers, Director of Public Prosecution's Office, and the Ministry of Gender. This is done as judiciary awaits to handle over 2,000 SGBV's cases, starting from August 15th in 10 high courts and 4 magistrate courts in areas of Masaka, Nebi, Bara, Kamli, Kitigum, Rengo, Nakasongola, among others. Flavian for CTV, PM Edition.